To use Face ID in the Chase app, you will need to have a compatible device with Face ID capability, such as an iPhone. First, make sure your device has the latest version of the Chase app installed. Open the App Store, search for the Chase app, and update it if necessary. Next, open the Chase app and log in with your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Security section of the app. The exact location may vary depending on the app version, but it is usually found at the top right or left corner of the screen. In the Settings section, look for the option to enable Face ID. This option may be listed under Security, Login, or Biometric Authentication. Select the option to enable Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up. You will be asked to scan your face using the device's camera. To scan your face, look directly at the camera and follow the on-screen instructions. The device will capture your facial features and store them securely. Once the scan is complete, you will be asked to confirm that you want to use Face ID to log in to the Chase app. After enabling Face ID, you can log in to the Chase app using your face. Simply open the app, look at the camera, and you will be logged in securely. You can also use Face ID to authenticate transactions and other sensitive actions within the app. It is essential to note that Face ID is a secure and convenient way to log into the Chase app, but it is not foolproof. To add an extra layer of security, make sure to keep your device and the Chase app up to date, and never share your device or login credentials with anyone. In addition, if you are having trouble setting up or using Face ID in the Chase app, you can contact Chase customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any issues and provide additional guidance on using Face ID securely and effectively. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Face ID in the Chase app to enjoy a secure and convenient banking experience.